In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import photo in Dorik. Let's start by opening the Dorik login page. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. If not, choose Sign In with Google, then pick the Google account you want to use. After you're signed in, you'll see your list of sites. Find the project you want to work on, and click Edit Site to open the visual editor. Inside the editor, look for the Add Elements option. This is where all the building blocks live. Click it to open the Elements panel. From here, locate the image element. Click and drag the image element onto your canvas, placing it exactly where you want the photo to appear in your layout. You'll see a placeholder image that indicates the element is ready for your own photo. Next, click Upload Image on the image placeholder or in the settings area that appears. This opens the Media Manager. In the Media Manager, click Upload Image again to begin bringing your file into the project. Then select Upload File and choose the image from your computer. Once the upload completes, select that image in the Media Manager to insert it into the image element on your page. You should immediately see it replace the placeholder on the canvas. With the image on the page, you can fine-tune it using the right side panel. This panel gives you control over size, spacing, alignment, and styling. Adjust width and height to fit your design, and use padding or margins to create breathing room around the photo. If your image looks cropped or stretched, try changing the fit or aspect settings so it scales nicely within its container. You can also apply rounded corners, borders, or subtle shadows to match your site's look. If you plan to make the image clickable, add a link in the right panel and choose whether it opens in the same tab or a new one. For accessibility and better SEO, add a concise, descriptive alt text that explains what the image shows. As you tweak settings, keep an eye on the live canvas so you can see changes instantly and maintain visual balance with nearby elements. A quick tip, use optimized images for faster loading. JPEG works well for photos, while PNG is better for graphics with transparency. Aim for a reasonable file size without sacrificing clarity. And that's it. You've signed in, opened your project, added an image element, uploaded your photo, and refined it using the right side controls.